Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, and welcome to Learn Arabic with Dina. We will be continuing today the series of numbers. We will be adding ones to all the tens which we have learned last time. Let's get going. We have learned the tens. Let's revise them, starting from 10 up to 100. That is 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 100. Now, if we want to add ones to those tens, like when we want to say 21 or 35 or 48 and so on, how do we do that? It's very simple. Few things to keep in mind. In Arabic, it is unlike in English. In English, we start first by saying the tens, then followed by the ones. While in Arabic, it's completely opposite. We read first the ones, and then we read the tens. What I mean by that, if you want to say 21, in Arabic we don't say 20 and then 1. We say 1 and then 20. And second is between the ones and the tens, we add the letter wa, which means and. So we say literally 1 and 20, that makes 21. 2 and 20, that makes 22. 3 and 20, that makes 23, and so on. That's all to keep in mind, and it's very, very simple. Let's start. Let's now start from 21 till 30. 21 واحد وعشرون. 22 اثنان وعشرون. ثلاثة وعشرون. 24 25 6 26 27 28 29, that is 29. Now 30 30. Now from 31 to 40. 31 واحد وثلاثون. 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39, that is 39, 40, 40. Now from 41 to 50. 41 واحد وأربعون. 42 43 44 44 45 46 47 48 49, that is 49, and then finally 50. 51 واحد وخمسون. 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59, and that is 59 60 ستون. واحد وستون. 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 69, that is 69 سبعون, and that is 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, that is 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, and that is 100. 100. They're very, very simple as long as you have learned the ones and the tens the way I have taught you. Keep practicing them and take random numbers and practice them. Now you will notice, just to remember, that we read the ones before tens. The reason behind that is in Arabic we write from the right to the left. So the first number you are going to see while writing is the ones. So we read what we write first. So we write the ones and then we write the tens, and so we also read it in the same way. So let me give you random numbers and try to read them. As you could see, ستة, 6 is in your right hand, and that's what you will read first. And then 3 is in your left hand, and you'll read it second as a tens, and that is ثلاثون. So you have ستة وثلاثون, that makes it 36. Because you read in English, you write in English from left to right, so the same way you read. That's why you read 30 before 6, while in Arabic we write 6 from the right side and then the 3, and that's how we read it. ستة وثلاثون. See the next number. What is the number? Excellent. تسعة وخمسون. تسعة وخمسون. 59. ثمانية وستون. ثمانية وستون. 68. ثمانية وستون. Last number. أربعة وتسعون. أربعة وتسعون. And that is 94. أربعة وتسعون. Let's quickly revise the tens, and that's what it's going to help you in reading all these numbers. عشرة. عشرون. ثلاثون. أربعون. خمسون. ستون. سبعون. ثمانون. تسعون. مئة, and that is 100. To read anything along with those tens, so what do? We read the ones, or we write the ones and then the tens. So we write the numbers from 1 to 9. واحد, اثنان, ثلاثة, أربعة, خمسة, ستة, سبعة, ثمانية, and then و, which means and then followed by the tens. عشرون, ثلاثون, أربعون, خمسون, ستون, سبعون, ثمانون, تسعون, مئة. So in order for you to form any number between 21 up to 99, first, in your right hand, you will be writing the ones, and in your left hand, you will be writing the tens. You will read first the ones, followed by wa, which means and then you will read the tens. I hope today's lesson was useful, and now you will be able to read numbers, any numbers from 1 to 100 easily. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button to get from me only. See you in the next video. And Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.